Hello everyone, how to highlight blank cell in Excel. So let's start this in my Excel, and you can see here I have a sales data, but in this data I have some blank cell. You can see, so there are so many blank cell here. So first I select all blank cell. So first is you have to select the all data. So simply select the any cell, and after that press the Ctrl A to select the full data. Okay, after that press the Ctrl G to open the go to dialog box, and click on the spatial option in go to, and in go to spatial just click on the blank, and after that just click on OK to select all blanks. Here you can see the all blanks is selected. Now to highlight this blank cell, simply go to the home tab. In font group, in fill options, click on the color. That's it. If you want to change color, just click on the drop down arrow and you can select here the different color also. Okay, so that's it. Then just click on here, and here selection is removed. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.